So, who wants to buy my mistakes? It's not a failure, it's a lesson. That's the thing. This is what I get for not paying attention. It is upside down. This is the hoodie. It's supposed to be for a customer, guys. And I'm so excited. I just know I'm going to ship it tomorrow. So now we don't have any more of this size. So we have to go back to our wholesaler tomorrow and buy a whole new one. But I'm still going to wear this. I'm going to salvage it. It's going to look a little weird, but I'm still going to. We don't do that. We don't waste inventory. So yeah, we'll do this again tomorrow. You can't trust the cops though. So I came here, we came to the store and they messed with another black man. What is he doing? Why is he handcuffed if he didn't do that wrong? He didn't do that. They're looking up his information. How long did that take? Is somebody in the car? Yeah. Hold on, we need that. You want to get the bubble wrap or not? You can wrap it in here. You think we should buy it? Huh? Yeah. Trash. Should we wrap the we getting no gift. Is that black? Yes.
Thank you so much. Have a great one.
I don't even know what purse I'm bringing. I know my hat is olive frame, but when we get there, I'm gonna show you guys my full outfit. Now let me explain this, guys. So this sweater is, I know the writing is upside down, but let me explain, guys. If you guys don't know, me and my mom do have our own business, Bourgeois Boutique, and we just started doing custom pieces, as in heat pressing and, you know, custom writing. So this is an order. This is this men's sweater that I'm wearing. I turned it into a dress. Yes, I did. And I take full responsibility. I messed up this shirt. It's upside down. You know what? I don't even know how I did it. I'm gonna insert a picture of how it's supposed to look, but I wasn't paying attention, of course, and this came out. Now, I was very angry. We had to run out and get some new inventory because this was the last one, and it took him another day to get his item. But yeah, so anyway, so I turned my mistakes into something that I can share with you, teach you guys and all that. So I'm actually wearing it. I'm gonna keep it for myself. Surprisingly, this is not the only mistake I did. So doing a heat press business or starting off, it is so hard. Well, let me rephrase, because it's more so you have to pay attention. You have to make sure everything lined up perfectly, because if you mess up your inventory, and you have to use more inventory just to make it. So it's a learning mistakes. I mean, it's a learning experience. Not a failure, it's a lesson. That's the thing. With that being said, guys, I am selling my mistakes. I don't know if I like that word, or I'm gonna find a better word, but anyway, I'm gonna start selling them and see if you guys might like it. I'm sure you guys the other orders I messed up on. I did save them. I was gonna throw them away because I was so angry, but then I started saving them for motivation to do better and to pay attention, basically. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'll probably just put the link in the description box so you guys can check it out and you guys can see what I did wrong and all that. But yeah, anyway, I kind of like it. I kind of like it like this. It's kind of, you can't even tell what it says, but anyway, I'm still gonna wear it. I'm about to show you guys my outfit when we get there.
Skateboard.
I mean, you know. Sure. I wonder if I'm overdressed, because now I'm looking, everybody is over there. It's like everybody's casual. I think I am overdressed, but it's fine. I'm used to it. Oh, where? I feel like we probably see him like some Mavericks.
Alright,
thank you. So be next to right here. You like this? Fix my hair. I think that's probably why everybody's staring. So, ordering my food right now. My drink.
she's the boss.
No.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Do you have a straw on you?
No, I don't.
I see she's real busy.
Yeah, no worries.
Thank you.
This calamari is so good, guys. But these right here, bomb. Bomb. And I'm on live right here. Salmon's not like, it's overwhelmed. It's overcooked. I don't want to be that person to send it back, but
We are.
yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm still on live right now. I'm eating, but the salmon is not cooked right, so.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Alright, guys, we're leaving. It was so amazing. Even though they messed up my order, it was amazing. The food was good. I am so full. we're about to head home, and then I'm gonna go on live for a bit, and yeah, I'm gonna start to stay over. So I'm not out of breath. But thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and hold on. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys.